Hi friends. So in this session, we'll start learning about the operators. Operators in PLSQL. What are the operators? It's a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or the logical operation or the manipulation. So there are some type of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, comparison operator, and the logical operator. In the arithmetic operators, we have plus, minus, multiplication, divide, and the exponentation. In relational operators, we have equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, greater, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. So the relational operators is to compare the two expressions and then give back the result. And the comparison operators are used to compare the expressions with one another. So the comparison operators always returns a Boolean result. So we know that Boolean result are true, false, and only null. So it will only return three values: true, false, or null. The examples of comparison operators are like, between, is null, and in. So the logical operators, are and, or, and not. So there are some precedents in the operators. So precedence is like first the exponentation, then the multiplication and division, then subtraction and addition, then and, or, and not. So this is the precedence. Well, right over here, first we have the exponentation, then multiplication and division, then addition and the subtraction, then not, and then the or. This is the precedence in which is followed by the PLSQL. The uses of this precedence is that when in a single expression, or I would say in a single piece of code, there are multiple operators and compilers want to give a result. So there should be some precedence according to which it will manipulate the result and give it back to the user. So for that correct evaluation, the precedence is there in PLSQL. So we'll write some query. I'll open a new worksheet for all these operators. First, we'll write the arithmetic operator. So select salary. In the tables, we have the employee master table. So we'll use the employee master table. Select salary, comma, salary. Let's say that we are the company is giving bonus to the employees. So we'll add 1,000 rupees to everybody's salary from employee master. Let's see the employee code and employee name also. Order by salary. Let's see who's getting the more salary. So this is according to the salary. So employee 1 will get rupees 1,000, and after bonus it will get 2,000. So in every record you can see that 1,000 rupees is getting added. So every operator we can use over here. And now coming to the relational operator, I'll use the same query for the relational operator also. So select salary from the employee master, where salary is greater than 4,000. So now you can see here that 9 rows are there in this employee master, and when we'll write greater than 4,000, then only the records which are more than 4,000 will show us. So let's execute this query. Okay, so it will give you now 5 results. Only the results which are having the salary greater than 4,000 is showing here. So we'll write over here greater than equal to. In this case it will show you the results which are greater than and equal to 4,000. So you will see over here that above there are 5 records and now there are 6 records selected. So the 4,000 row is also included in the below query. Okay, so we can overwrite over here less than and the other operators also not equal to. So this is according to your wish and your code demand, that what uh, operator you want to write. So coming to the next, the comparison operator, we'll use the like. So select where m code is very important in the queries. So is like equal to %1%. So let me execute and then we'll explain you that how the like works. So now you can see I have written that in the where condition I have changed that employee code should be like %1%. So it will give you the result where the employee code contains 1. So every employee code which has the number 1 would be here. So you can see there are 3 results: emp1, employee number 10 and employee number 11. So any record which has the number 1 will be shown here. We'll see the with 2. So now you can see there is only one record with the number 2. So there is only one record you can see here. In the above you can see there are 3 records. So the like is used for when you'll write that %2%. So it will iterate all the records from the starting and then after ending also. So the number 2 could be present anywhere in this employee code. I hope you are getting my point. The number 2 is present anywhere in this employee code. If I'll not write here %2, so it wants to see 2 as a first character. So it will not give you any of the result now. No rows selected. Okay, so this is about the like. Now coming to between, we'll use this salary example for the between also. So salary between 4,000 and 7,000. So now you can see every record that is greater than or equal to 4,000 and less than 7,000 is here. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so now moving towards, we'll use and logical operators, which are and, or, and not. So we'll write that select. I'm selecting the same thing where salary is between 4,000 and 7,000, and M code equal to number 4004, or M code equal to number 6. So now it will return you two records, 4,000 and 6,000. So it is satisfying this all the request all the conditions. So the employee 6 has the salary greater than is between 4,000 and 6,000. If I'll write employee 1, then it will not return the employee code 1 because his salary is not between 4,000 and 7,000. So you can see that the salary is between 1,000 and the it will show you 1,000 and the 4,000. Or will check any of the condition between this would be the output. So, or will check either the record 004 or 001, so it will show to the result. I hope we are clear with all the operators. We have done arithmetic operator example, relational operator example, comparison operator, and the logical one. So in the next chapter, we'll study the conditional iterations. Thanks.